Welcome to this exciting exploration of Selkirk, Manitoba. Are you ready to discover the best that this charming city has to offer? From scenic wonders to cultural gems, Selkirk has something for everyone. So let's dive right in and uncover the top things to do in Selkirk. Waterfront wonder. Our first stop takes us to the stunning Selkirk Waterfront. Picture this, a picturesque riverside setting with lush greenery, walking trails, and the tranquil waters of the Red River. It's a serene escape right in the heart of the city. Whether you're looking for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or simply a moment of quiet reflection, the Selkirk Waterfront has you covered. Selkirk Park. Next up, we head to the beloved Selkirk Park. This beautiful recreational area boasts well-maintained grounds, a fabulous playground for kids, and perfect spots for a family barbecue. Take a leisurely bike ride or play a game of frisbee with friends. It's an idyllic spot for outdoor fun and relaxation. Selkirk Fairground. For a taste of local culture and entertainment, make sure to check out the Selkirk Fairground. Home to the annual Selkirk Fair and Rodeo, it's a lively hub of activity. If you're lucky enough to be in town during the fair, you'll experience thrilling rodeo events, carnival rides, and tasty fair food. Don't miss the opportunity to immerse yourself in this authentic Manitoba tradition. St. Andrew's Lock and Dam. Our next destination is the impressive St. Andrew's Lock and Dam. Witness the marvel of engineering that manages the water levels of the Red River, helping prevent floods in the region. Take a tour and learn about the history and significance of this structure, or simply enjoy the scenic views. It's a place where nature and human ingenuity come together. Selkirk Golf Course. Calling all golf enthusiasts, Selkirk has a gem for you, the Selkirk Golf Course. Enjoy a challenging round of golf amidst the serene beauty of the countryside. The well-maintained fairways and picturesque surroundings make this course a golfer's paradise. A round of golf here is not just a game, it's an experience. Gabrielle Roy House. For a taste of Canadian literary history, visit the Gabrielle Roy House. It's the former home of renowned author Gabrielle Roy, known for her contributions to French-Canadian literature. Explore the museum and see where she lived and worked. It's a captivating journey through the life of a literary legend. Selkirk Community Arts Center. Selkirk is also home to a thriving arts scene, and the Selkirk Community Arts Center is at the heart of it. This vibrant space showcases local talent through art exhibitions, live performances, and workshops. Immerse yourself in the creative spirit of the city by attending one of their events or taking part in a class. Selkirk Museum. Delve into Selkirk's history by visiting the Selkirk Museum. Discover the city's rich heritage through a collection of artifacts, photographs, and exhibits. Gain insights into the indigenous, fur trading, and pioneer history that have shaped Selkirk over the years. It's an educational and eye-opening experience. Selkirk Waterfront Marina. Back to the waterfront, but this time we're exploring the Selkirk Waterfront Marina. If you're a fan of boating, fishing, or just relaxing by the water, this is the place to be. The marina offers boating services, and you can rent a kayak or a paddleboard to explore the river up close. Selkirk pubs and amp restaurants. After a day of exploring, it's time to savor some local flavors. Selkirk offers a diverse range of pubs and restaurants, serving up delicious dishes that cater to every palate. From classic Canadian comfort food to international cuisine, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to try some local specialties. Selkirk Waterfront Farmers Market. If you happen to visit Selkirk on a Saturday, make your way to the Selkirk Waterfront Farmers Market. It's a delightful place to shop for fresh produce, handmade crafts, and artisanal goods. The market is a lively gathering of local vendors, and you're sure to find some unique treasures. Festivals and events. Throughout the year, Selkirk hosts a variety of festivals and events. From Canada Day celebrations to music festivals and seasonal fairs, there's always something happening in this vibrant community. Check the local event calendar to see what's on during your visit. There you have it, the best things to do in Selkirk, Manitoba. From the natural beauty of the waterfront to the cultural experiences that await you, Selkirk offers a rich tapestry of activities for visitors of all kinds. So why wait? Plan your visit to Selkirk and make the most of this captivating